So, hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You have just reached the perfect edit, but there is a tiny FaceApp logo stamped in the corner, which would ruin the aesthetic, and it keeps you from sharing the image proudly on your feed. So that watermark is there because you are using the free version of the app. The only default way to stop FaceApp from putting that logo on your photos is basically to upgrade to FaceApp Pro. If you don't want to pay, there are 3 workarounds you can use right now to get rid of it for free. So the first option, as I said, is the official one. You should pay GoPro so you can remove the watermark. The cleanest way to remove the watermark permanently is to subscribe to FaceApp Pro by going to GoPro button or the crown icon in the app. Once you have the active subscription, go to settings, the gear icon, then look for the watermark toggle switch and simply turn it off. As for the free method, you can easily crop it out. For example, let's say there is this watermark here. You can easily crop the photo again, make it smaller this way. I mean, it wouldn't look great, but you won't be able to see the watermark of FaceApp. Then free method number 2 is about using an online remover for the best quality. If you don't want to lose part of your image by cropping, use a free online tool like ArcTinker or any MP4 offer free watermark removers. Go to the website in your mobile browser, upload the FaceApp image, use a brush or any tool to highlight the FaceApp logo, click remove, and here you go. So that's your idea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.